This example is actually a counting problem that involves combinations. So if you haven't already, take a moment to pause, read the full problem statement, and then come back to this video. So here we're given some information about two pizza parlors, and one of them is telling us that they advertise 84 different three-topping pizzas. And a little bit later, we're told that as a hint, you're really given the total number of combinations, so you must find in the number of toppings that are used. So in other words, mathematically speaking, this is really what we're looking for here, is n choose 3 equals 84. That's given the 84 different combinations of size 3, of choosing groups of 3. So we're looking for the original number n. How many individual toppings do we have to choose from? So that's ultimately our goal. Now, our method for doing this is really going to be like a guess and check, but an educated guess and check. So first of all, if we know that we have groups of 3 toppings, then n has to be at least 3 or more. You have to have at least 3 toppings to start with, right? To have at least a group of 3 different toppings on an individual pizza. And as you've worked with combinations and permutations and other counting methods before, you know that n does not have to be very large before the total number of combinations gets to be large. So this guess and check technique will not take very long. So I'm choosing to use Desmos here. You just go to desmos.com/C, and underneath the keyboard, I'm going to go to Functions, and then Stats, and then NCR for combination. And the way that Desmos works this is I type in the number I believe n to be. Like for instance, I'm going to start with 5, and then a comma, and then I type in the number that R is given to be, which in this case is 3. And before I even finish, you can see it's already calculated there's a total of 10 combinations. So next I'm going to do is just keep going up. So 6 individual toppings in groups of 3, there are 20 combinations. And keep on trying until I get to my total number of combinations, 84. And notice that n here had to be 9. So my answer would be 9 in that case. In the second part of the problem, Pizzeria B is a little bit different in that you're looking for groups of 2 topping pizzas. And we're told that there's 78 different 2-topping pizzas. So just changing the number R, notice that the value of the combinations is still not high enough. So if I want that number to be larger, I need to increase n. So just going one at a time. Going one at a time here. 10 is still not large enough. 11. Keeping in mind, I'm trying to get up to 78. And there it happens. When n is 13, the total number of combinations is 78.